Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Ivysaur. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the eyes. Draw a curved line here for the side of the eye. From the top of this line, draw a diagonal line down and to the right. Move in slightly and draw a small line down here. Then close off the eye with a slight diagonal line. Inside the eye, draw a curved line. Then draw a long U shape, attaching it to the top of the eye and color it in black. Above this eye, draw a curved line here. Now I'm going to draw some reference lines in red to help you get the placement of the other eye. If you're drawing in pencil, you can draw these too if you want and erase them later. If you're drawing using a pen, you don't need to draw these, but you can just look at them as a visual guide. The first reference line will be across the top of the eye, and the second one is going to be at the level of the inner corner. Now let's draw the other eye using these guides. Draw a curved line here the same height as the reference lines. Now start slightly higher than the reference line and draw a diagonal line down to the left for the top of the eye. Close off the bottom of the eye with another diagonal line. Inside the eye, draw a curved line here. Then draw another curve on the inside and color it in black. Now draw a short line next to the eye here. That's it for the eyes. Let's draw the top of the head next. At the top of the right eye, draw a small line inwards. Now draw a short curve here. Leave a gap for the ear and continue this curve across to the left. Stop above the left eye. Next, draw an upside down V shape for the ear and continue it down a bit and out. Draw the other ear over the gap we left earlier with another upside down V shape. Let's continue onto the mouth now. Under the right eye, draw a curved line. Draw the top of the mouth with a V shape here. Now connect it to your line on the right with a short line. From the left side, continue the line and curve it down slightly. Now draw the teeth with two V shapes here. Next, draw two small lines here for the nostrils. Now, starting from the bottom of the right tooth, draw a curved line down to the left and over like this for the chin. Next, let's finish off the details in the head. In the left ear, draw a triangle shape like this. Lastly, draw two triangular shapes on the forehead. Okay, now let's move on to the body. From under the middle of the chin, draw a curved line down here for the side of the leg. Next, I'm going to draw another reference guideline across the midpoint of the leg line we just drew. Draw the other side of the leg with a diagonal line starting from the reference line. Now draw a small line in, then 3 triangles for the nails. Let's draw the next leg now. Draw another line down like this. Now I'm going to add another reference line here at the bottom that we can use for this leg and the next one. Now we're going to draw the other side of the leg with a line down and curve it to the right slightly. Extend this line down below the reference line. To finish off the foot, draw a short line in, then a small triangle, another short line, another triangle, one more short line, and then a third triangle to close off the foot. Now draw a curved line here to connect the two legs. Following the same curve, draw another curved line on the other side of the leg. Next, we're going to draw the back and the last leg. From the top of the head below the ear, draw a curved line down to the left, come up slightly, and then curve it back down and stop at the reference line. Draw a curved line here for the other side of the leg. Now finish off the bottom of the foot, same as the others. Lastly, for the body, I'm going to draw some geometric shapes. You can copy mine or you can do your own. Don't worry, it doesn't need to be perfect. And that's it for the body. Now let's draw the leaves and the flower on the back. Starting from the top of the head by the ear, draw a diagonal line up to the right. Draw another one next to it, but make it a bit longer. Now to draw the leaf, I'm going to draw a red reference line to help me with the overall shape. Starting from the top of the ear, draw a line up along the reference line. Draw a V shape going inwards next. Then draw another straight line along the reference line. Now continue this pattern all the way around. You can follow mine exactly, or you can draw your own leaf pattern. Now let's draw the second leaf. From the top of the back, draw a curved line out and to the left. Now draw another longer line under this one. Again, I'm going to draw a red reference line for the general shape of the leaf I want. Now I'm going to draw the leaf the same as the first one. I'm going to make some lines a bit longer and some points on the leaf attached to the next one. Next, I'm going to add a few detail lines in the leaf like this. For the third and final leaf, draw a line down and out from the bottom of the second leaf. Draw a line down here and then back in. Then draw a few more rectangular-like leaf shapes going in and connecting to the back of the leg. Between the larger point, I'm going to draw a small horizontal line here to show the back of the leaf, and then another one on the leftmost gap, and color this one in black. Lastly, let's draw the flower. Start slightly higher than the top of the leaves and come down with a curve like this. To the left of it, start slightly lower and then draw another curve and attach it to this line. In between these lines, draw two diagonal lines like this. From the top of the left line, draw a small line down to the left. Now another line up, then curve it down a little bit out and back in and connect it to the leaf. Now let's go back to the top on the right line. Draw a short diagonal line here. Now draw 3 points next to it. Curve the line down to the right and back down, connecting it to the leaf. And that's it for Ivysaur. Now let's color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. For more Pokemon drawing tutorials, please check out my Pokemon playlist. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.